I'll be taking a look at the JBL Flip 4 speaker. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker. You can pick this up online for around $80 and it comes in a variety of color choices. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look at the speaker. I have the blue version. This speaker has 12 hours of playtime. It's IPX7 waterproof, has the JBL Connect feature so you can connect multiple speakers with it, and has a speakerphone. I've already removed the speaker out of the box, and it comes with a manual and a USB cable. My first impressions of the device is that it is solid. It has a metal grille all around with the rubber sides and bottom. You have your playback options here with the Bluetooth button, volume controls, and the play button. The other side you have the buttons for the JBL Connect feature for pairing other speakers, and the power button with LED indicators for battery levels. Lifting this tab exposes the aux port and the USB port for charging. It also has this lanyard. You can position the speaker vertical or horizontal. Now let's do a quick audio test to see how the speaker sounds. The JBL Flip 4 speaker. For under $100, it's a decent device. The bass is not as deep and it's rich in treble, but having the waterproofing and the JBL Connect feature is definitely an added plus. It is built well and has good battery life. This is a speaker you can take on the go for that active lifestyle or just leave at home. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.